Now, as you're making your form, you may want to have confirmations. Confirmations are essentially just ways for whoever's submitting your form to know they've completed it. It could be a thank you message, it could be just a reminder, anything of that sort that generally appears on page as opposed to follow-up email. So watch what happens when I press submit here. When I press submit, I'll scroll down to where my form was, and down here it says, thank you for contacting us, so on and so forth. This is the confirmation message. So when I head to my form on the dashboard, you'll see here are my forms. This is the form I just filled out. When I scroll over it, I head to settings, I head to confirmations, and I left click. Here's my default confirmation. You can see the content within is akin to what I just saw. So we can try and modify that if we'd like. If I press edit, you'll be directed to a very simple page where you can put in the content you want someone to see. So for example, here's my message. You could add media, or you can make it redirect to a page or redirect to a URL itself. But you'll see you have text, page, and redirect here. Feel free to experiment to get familiar with them to make the best out of your confirmations.